In such a vast and mysterious universe, a small blue planet floats in space, full of life and beauty. This is our planet Earth. But how did Earth come to be? What was its early history? In this extraordinary journey through time and space, we will discover the origins of our world, from the birth of the universe to the formation of the Earth. Once upon a time, millennia ago, the ancients looked at the stars and wondered what lay beyond the night sky. Today, thanks to incredible scientific advances, we can begin to answer these questions. Let's go back in time, to the dawn of existence itself, to discover how the Earth came to be. It all began with an event of unimaginable proportions, a phenomenon that gave birth to everything we know, the Big Bang. About 13 to 8 billion years ago, the universe was concentrated in a single point, dense and incredibly hot. In an instant, this point exploded, giving rise to the universe. From this tumultuous beginning, the universe began to expand at an incredible speed. In the first moments, it was a dense slurry of elementary particles. As the universe cooled, these particles began to combine, forming the first simple atoms, such as hydrogen and helium. These atoms would become the building blocks for the creation of stars and galaxies. Galaxies began to form, each containing billions of stars. Some of these stars died, exploding into supernovae, creating the heavy elements needed for planetary formation. It was in this cosmic theater that the stage for the birth of our solar system was set. These particles began to coagulate, aggregating into what would become planets. Large celestial bodies began to form, capturing gas and dust. Through a process called accretion, rocky planets like Earth began to take shape, coming together from billions of pieces of rock and metal. Earth, our home planet, began as a glowing orb of molten rock. About 4.5 billion years ago, after the period of formation of the solar system, Earth began to emerge from chaos. In this primitive environment, the planet was subject to frequent collisions with other celestial bodies, a period known as the Great Bombardment. These impacts helped shape the Earth's surface and provide some of the essential chemical elements. As the Earth cooled, its surface began to solidify, forming the Earth's crust. The still high internal heat fueled intense volcanism and tectonic activity. These eruptions helped form the first atmosphere, a primordial gaseous envelope that enveloped the planet. At the heart of the Earth, the pressure and heat were so intense that metals fused, forming the inner and outer core. This metal core generated a magnetic field, a crucial aspect that would later protect the planet from solar radiation harmful. We have traveled back in time, from the Big Bang explosion, to the formation of our solar system, to the birth of the Earth. This incredible journey has shown us not only how our planet was born, but also how unique and precious it is in this vast universe. The history of the Earth is a tale of transformation and change, a testimony to the strength and resilience of nature. Each phase of its existence, from the fiery core to the surface thriving with life, tells a part of our collective story. The Earth is not just our habitat, it is a dynamic, complex and wonderful ecosystem, the balance of which depends on every single element in it. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. I hope you have found this exploration of the birth of the Earth educational and inspiring. As we look at the stars in the night sky, we may feel small, but we are also part of an incredibly rich cosmic story. We are children of the stars, inhabitants of a wonderful planet, explorers of a mysterious universe. Goodbye, and continue to look to the sky with wonder and curiosity,